What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. 59 China, 59 China. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, IMC 6, IMC 6. So these stems look extremely identical. And then when we look, they are both Nemos. And as I'm making a little pile of Nemos, I started noticing, wait a minute. So this one here has the fins against the body, and they are made as one with the head, so they're in that mold. But when we look at this one here, the fins stick out. And they're actually made of a softer, more pliable plastic. Not sure if it's a rubber or what exactly it is. But yes, there are these differences for sure on Nemo. Now, Nemo will also come on a clear stem, part of a box set that they had that was in a little fishbowl. I always thought was kind of a neat way to offer a little something special. So there you go. Two different Nemos. Which, though, is the real Nemo? Yeah, they both are. So until next time. Yeah.